When I say that people are assets and things are liabilities, let's just look at it from a financial perspective. The relationships I have is why I'm in a position that I am financially, for good or bad, right? Meaning, I know a lot of people that are far more wealthy than I am. Maybe they've got other relationships that I don't yet have, but vice versa. You can, center or be around people that really bring you down emotionally, spiritually. They will also bring you down financially too. So, one, I like to invest in relationships. I also like to invest in people because not the only reason, but there is a monetary gain from it, right? If you build the right relationships with the right people, you will get further along in life financially. Now, spiritually and emotionally, the same is true. It depends on what you're focused on. So, I like to hang out with people that are believers, that we like to sit down and be honest about, what is being said in the Bible. We just talked about this. We were talking about venomous snakes. We go down these weird rabbit holes, but we're talking about venomous snakes. And one of the ways to create anti-venom is through lamb's blood, right? And, we both know the Bible. The devil is being perceived as the serpent in the Garden of Eden, right? And then Jesus being the Lamb of God. I just think that's really cool. And then, I've had relationships in the past where one, those light bulbs don't go off, and then two, even if you bring it up, it's kind of like going in one ear and out the other. So there's no feedback loop. It's like, okay, that's what I'm interested in, and that's where my faith is. But when I bounce it off somebody and it doesn't come back, and I'm not getting their perception. They also don't have the same belief system and principles and values that I do. So I like to invest in those people because what's the ultimate reward? We're talking outside of finances and all that. What's the ultimate reward? Eternity. Oh my goodness, that storing our treasures in heaven is worth way more than anything that we could achieve here on earth. So that's another reason why people are assets and things are liabilities. Build the relationships with the right people that are going to build you up and also strengthen your faith. And maybe, we know people that are super skeptical, right?
Yeah.
Well, if I'm in the right relationships and they say, yeah, I kind of do believe in God, but what about this? And it's a really good question. And I'm not hanging out with the right people and building the right relationships, that I have the same questions and I can bounce it off of them. And they're like, oh, well, here's why. Here's what it says and here's what this means. Then I don't have the right information to also help somebody else. And we're talking about a deadly game that is eternity. So every one of those interactions has super important, but super high consequences to it. So if you don't catch them at the right time with the right message and the right person delivering that message, maybe there won't be another opportunity for them and you don't get to spend eternity with them in heaven. So yeah, investing in people, there's a monetary gain for it. So if that's what you're focusing, fine. Invest in people, build relationships with people, because there will be a financial gain from it if you invest in the right relationships with the right people. But there are other types of relationships to have, like we're talking about spiritual, relational, etc. relationships. So always invest in people, not things.